Please hang up and try again.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Get ready to dive into the best local music from around the world only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey guys, this is Severance. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
There's Big Flats from Magnolia Motel.
Shaded shadows for an hour or two. Nothing but the sitcoms that the world knows. You separate the band, what you think is true. Then you're sitting all alone in a little room. There's too much traffic in this restless town. Going to the big flats where my body is sound. Sleep won't dream unless it's above ground. And everyone's a winner when no one's around, alright. Talking like a stranger, walking like a ghost. Thinking about the things that you love the most. Clumsy words slip and it sometimes shows. When your guard's too strong at your favorite pose. Is the world gone mad? Don't go back on what you said. Going to the big flats. Gonna ease my head. Is the world gone mad? Don't go back on what you said. Going to the big flats. Gonna ease my head. Solemn thoughts reek like a paper mill. Write them on a leaf like your final will. Crutches of despair will find a body still. So you move like the rain down your windowsill. If the days drag on with fickle hope, capitalize on all your worries and woes. Turn a profit from copper to gold. Satisfy yourself while the others slow. In a world gone mad, don't go back on what you said. Going to the big flats, gonna ease my head. In a world gone mad, don't go back on what you said. Going to the big flats, gonna ease my head. In this restless town, going to the big flats where my body is sound. Sleep won't dream unless it's above ground. Everyone's a winner when no one's around, alright.
Okay, Greenville, I need your help. Hello, I'm Robbie Britton. I'm here to tell you about First Friday, November the 6th in downtown Greenville. That's First Friday, downtown Greenville. We want to tell everybody about it. We want everybody that's anywhere in the area looking for something to do, please come down for a few minutes and check it out. It's a block party in downtown Greenville. It's going to be from 6 o'clock till 9 o'clock. And it's going to be located on West Depot Street, which is somewhere between Tipton's and Main Street, Broad and Bailey, Antique Mall, Moments, General Morgan Inn, kind of in that area. So tell your friends about it. Tell them, go down there at least for a few minutes, check it out. You might end up having a lot of fun. It is First Friday downtown, the very first one, November the 6th. Share this video. Tell your friends about it. We want to see you there.
Here's Belfast Six-Pack. Wonder why.
We would like to take a moment to thank each of you that have listened to Tri-City Local Music, and we would love to hear your feedback at Spreaker.com.
Hey, this is Josh from A Fleeting Farewell. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Spin to break. Brianic.
time to take her home with me. Another night with the black rose ghost. She says I have the touch she needs, the kind of thing she'll keep from most. I place my hands upon her face when I can feel the warmth, assorted kinds of ecstasy. Another night with the black rose ghost. It's inside her taste, it's inside her surrender. Can't deny her taste. We're on his stardust anyway. I trace the lines of a silhouette and paint her body with my breath, entwined in love one energy. I feel her soul with what she needs. The night invites us off to rest. The taste of her still on my lips. When she makes it hard to sleep, that's when she turns and says, it's the waves of energy, the cosmic display of everything. The life she provides and the life she woke. I tell her here she's a black rose ghost. It's inside her taste, it's inside her surrender. Can't deny her taste. We're on his stardust anyway. That silent surrender. It's that silent surrender. It's that silent surrender. It's that silent surrender. Boy, still lives inside me. Babe, please show me all the ways you want me. She still drives me crazy. That fire my soul needs. And it may seem strange she's gone and saved the day. See, I will have my release from these sirens holdings. Surrender. It's that silent 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 surrender.
Who plays the best in local music in the Tri-Cities. The one and only Tri-City Local Music Radio.
When you're hungry but tired of the fast food rut, choose Glenn's Family